Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. And your port's over there on the other end? Okay.
Side port. Just something quick I can throw in there real quick.
Yeah.
I can play from 22 to 42 on it.
Okay. Is it louder with the strong shutter open? Okay. So could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Aaron Mills. I go by Bird, Team Blurred Vision.
Okay.
I'll give you a seal. And then
Team Blurred Vision and your name?
Aaron Mills.
Aaron, all right.
AKA Bird.
All right. And what all equipment do you have?
Sundown U12s, D2s. I'm running the side 3500 for now until my Hooligan 5Ks come in. My skid bank. 320 amp alternator on brand X is on the way because I decided I wanted to put it on me.
So you have stock alt?
Yeah, stock alt.
Okay.
Holding voltage at 14.1.
All right. Who built this?
The designs were from Basic Holic, Drew Jones.
Did you build it?
No, my buddy did. Kyle.
What made you do side port instead of like front port?
Well, I bought them from him and that's what it is. I'm waiting. That's just for now.
Okay.
About a flat wall 4Us on 2 5Ks on a skip bank. So I think
Okay.
it's
Oh, so you're actually not. You're
I'm about
to
the flat wall, yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's
Okay.
just me, and then I'll have more trunk room.
Yes, sir.
Luggage.
All right.
Okay.
What did you say it was tuned to?
Anywhere from, it's 32, the box is 32, but I can play from 22 to 42.
Okay.
It really likes about 27, but I put some DJ dropping on.
All right.
For what
Sounds
it is, it does decent.
Yeah.
We'll see if we can find some DJ dropping for you.
All right.
Where's it at? Get some 808 destruction. Sundown SDX 1.4. And those are rated right at 25 to 3K.
Oh yeah.
you're probably only getting what 12 to 1500 watts out of that. So
those are rated for right at 25 to 3K.
oh yeah, so
For what I have in here, thank you.
Yeah.
For what I got in here, I feel like
yes, sir.
I mean,
you did a good job. I actually did notice a little louder when you put that back side seat up. Yeah, so it worked out good. You have a good day, man. What was your name again?
Bird, Team Blurred Vision.
Team Blurred Vision. All right, man. You have a good day.
We got Southern Thunder out here at Car Audio as well.
All right.
Use discount code Jacob Vile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.